Welcome to the public hearing meeting for the Route 7 Bridge Replacement and Widening over the Dulles Airport Toll Road and Airport Access Highway Project, hosted by VDOT in coordination with the Fairfax County Department of Transportation. We hope this will be informative and provide you with the opportunity to learn more about the project and comment on what you've seen here tonight. There are comment sheets at the table where you signed in, so please make sure you grab one and fill it out. You can drop it off before you leave tonight, or you can take it home and either mail it or email it to the address provided. The key to a successful project is participation of citizens like yourselves who live and work near the corridor or who regularly use it, and that is why we are here today. This project begins at Jarrett Valley Drive and ends before Tyco Road. The purpose of this project is to reconstruct and widen the existing Route 7 bridges over the Dulles Airport Toll Road and Airport Access Highway. The grade of Route 7 will be raised where it crosses the Dulles Airport Toll Road and Airport Access Highway to provide the required vertical clearance. Shared use paths will be provided to connect the existing facilities to the new Spring Hill Metro Station. This project will also prohibit U-turns from westbound Route 7 to eastbound Route 7 at the intersection with Jarrett Valley Drive. We have developed 3 shared use path alternatives that will be discussed later in the presentation. Existing Route 7 is a 4-lane divided facility. Along with the reconstruction and widening of the Route 7 bridges over the Dulles Airport Toll Road and Airport Access Highway, Route 7 will be widened to a 6-lane facility between Jarrett Valley Drive and the improvements to the Route 7 constructed by the Dulles Rail Silver Line project. This project will transition back to the existing conditions west of Jarrett Valley Drive. This will be accomplished by dropping a westbound lane at the ramp from westbound Route 7 to westbound Dulles Toll Road and Airport Access Highway. The 3 through lanes eastbound will begin after Jarrett Valley Drive. Across the Route 7 bridge in both the eastbound and westbound directions, auxiliary lanes will be provided for the interchange ramps. Route 7 on the southeast side of the Dulles Toll Road and Airport Access Highway will connect to the Route 7 improvements constructed by the Dulles Rail Silver Line project. This project constructed a 6-lane facility from just east of the location to where the future Silver Line crosses over eastbound Route 7. The existing lane drop at the ramp from westbound Route 7 to eastbound Dulles Toll Road will continue. The ramp from eastbound Dulles Toll Road and Airport Access Highway to westbound Route 7 will continue to be a stop condition at the end of the ramp before merging onto Route 7. This project segment is actually sandwiched between 2 projects that are at different phases of design and construction. Both will widen or have widened Route 7 to 6 lanes and provide shared use paths or sidewalk. On the western end, the design of the project between Reston Avenue and Jarrett Valley Drive progressed through a public information meeting in November 2013, but does not have funding to advance the design to construction. On the eastern end, the Dulles Rail Silver Line project is currently under construction and should be completed in 2014. Fairfax County is currently planning improved access to Tysons from the Dulles Toll Road and Airport Access Highway. The Tysons Ramp project proposes collector-distributor lanes on each side of the Dulles Toll Road and Airport Access Highway. To accommodate the CD lanes for the future Fairfax County Tysons Ramp project, this project will replace the existing abutments with full-height abutments. The 2 existing Route 7 bridges will be widened for Route 7 to be a 6-lane facility with an additional auxiliary lane on each side for the interchange ramps. The bridge will be wide enough to provide 14-foot shared use paths on both sides, or a wider single shared use path in the median of the bridge. The next few slides go over the 3 shared use path alternatives that are being considered for this project. The 3 alternatives are at grade, underpass, and median shared use paths. The shared use path alternative selected for this project will provide connectivity from existing facilities on the western end of the project to the Spring Hill Silver Line Metro Station. The interchange between Route 7 and the Dulles Toll Road and Airport Access Highway has 9 ramps that provide access to and from Route 7. The shared use paths are located on the outside of Route 7 and cross the ramps at grade. Since the crossings are at grade with vehicles, this option is the least safe for pedestrians and bicyclists. The second shared use path option is the underpass option. The shared use path goes under 8 of the 9 ramps by providing arched structures on the ramps. The one ramp that an underpass cannot be provided is the ramp from eastbound Route 7 to westbound Dulles Toll Road and Airport Access Highway. This is the safest shared use path alternative for pedestrians and bicyclists. You see the shared use path in this option going under 3 of the 9 ramps. Pedestrians and bicyclists can proceed without stopping or yielding to traffic at 8 of the 9 ramps. Here is a close-up of one of the shared use path underpasses. The shared use path will be used by both pedestrians and bicyclists. A stone facing would be placed on the underpass structure. The third option is a median shared use path alternative. The shared use path is transitioned to the median at the signalized intersection at Route 7 and Jarrett Valley Drive. The median shared use path continues across the bridge and crosses the median at grade at the signal between Route 7 and the ramp from the Dulles Airport Toll Road and Airport Access Highway. The median shared use path is transitioned back to the outsides of Route 7 at the signalized intersection of Route 7 and Tyco Road. This shared use path option only provides one shared use path for the length of the project, and the noise will be louder since you have traffic on both sides of the shared use path. It is also the least safe option for motorists since pedestrians and bicyclists will be in an unfamiliar location that may be a distraction to them. VDOT prefers the underpass shared use path option because this option is the safest option for bicyclists and pedestrians. However, the final decision has not been made. Let's now review the anticipated schedule for this project and the estimated cost. The comments from this public hearing should be turned into VDOT by March 3, 2014. VDOT is currently working with Fairfax County to fund this project for construction and deliver it as a design-build project. The right-of-way acquisition and construction should begin in fall of 2014. The approximate total cost of this project, based on the underpass, is currently estimated to be $34.4 million. This concludes the overview of the Route 7 project to reconstruct and widen the bridges over the Dulles Airport Toll Road and Airport Access Highway. As you enter the cafeteria, note there are different stations you can visit. There is a right-of-way station where you can get information on typical processes. While the design is not advanced enough to have any specific information on right-of-way as it relates to the project, there is VDOT staff on hand to answer general questions. There is also an environmental station where you can get general information on anything environmental related, including noise analysis. You can visit all of the stations or just pick the ones you're interested in. Please make sure to fill out a comment sheet and send in your comments by March 3rd. Thank you very much for coming and helping to shape the future of Route 7.